Hello, y'all. Hope everyone's doing well. I started to play this game with a really small balance and had a huge jackpot. They reset my mega, my major, and well, this here too. But I got this reset. I had the gold spins and massive hit. Massive hit. So, what we're going to do is we're going to play. Um, let's go to let's go to 2250. We're gonna do 50 spins and see how it goes, and then we'll call it a day. I'd like to get a 15-minute recording done to post on YouTube. So let's hope everything goes well. Day 3+ of no smoking. The patch is doing a miracle job. I had a little bit of a rough time this morning when I woke up, when I got my coffee, but now that I'm sitting down and playing, I don't have an urge to smoke. So I think the patch was a great decision, and the pharmacist was very helpful. So let's do some spinning. What we want to get is the free spins, and then let's get this back over here. 88. And this game is really funny because when you get into the bonus round, wow. When you get into the bonus round, you're basically betting for the first, you get X amount, 10 free games, and you're guaranteed the wilds that's shown here in the 10 free games. So if you get 15 wilds in the first game, the remaining 9 are 15 less. So it goes down to 73. So when you're playing, what you're doing is you're praying as you're playing, please no bonus, please no bonus, please no bonus. You want to get as much as possible on the last hand or second to last hand. This game can really pay really well. It can really also eat you up alive. So we're not going to say what. Let's see where we go. I want to get a 15-minute video. So after 15 minutes, I'm going to stop. I'm not going to risk anything. I hope I got my proper screen. Okay, we got the URL off. We got the bottom of the screen off. And the game rule. Okay, everything shows. It's perfect. And I got an urge up for a cigarette. I gotta talk about it. They go fast anyways, and I won't have one. And goes to show you. It goes to show you. Today I went to Metro to pick up some food, and I went to one of my jobs I have every Sunday, and for the last 2 months I was always out of breath when I did walking. I don't like green on my face. Let's go. Green. Okay. Okay, blue-lipped. So, I really today didn't run out of breath. And that's only 3 days of not smoking. 3 or 4. It's better to lose track. I'm gonna win this time. I'm not gonna smoke. After this week with a patch, I'm gonna stop for a week. The patch, but I'm gonna have the gums to see if the urges come and the gums work. If they don't, I'm gonna go back to the patch. I have 14 days. Ooh, those pop at the random, but sadly, what happens is I only got 3 across. I couldn't get. This is what you want. This symbol here is what you want when you get 2 shields in any of these 4 reels. That means I would have had the mega bonus. Man, the irresistible orange juice from Metro, it's like Tropicana, but costs less. Amazing. The only thing I don't like is it doesn't have pulp. Tropicana I could get with pulp. Let's go. Oh, not again, man. Might do something. Yeah, absolutely nothing. Double my bet. And now I hope I can get lucky with a bonus. But I'm not getting any greens to build up, nothing, and that bothers me, man. Six minutes, we've had one hit. One hit that's good. By the way, in this game, when you see it at the casino, I highly recommend you play it. It's a little bit different in its bonuses and the distribution. But the thing with this game is line hits. You can fill it with cups, and you're gonna be disappointed. Well, I'm not going to say cups. Let's say we fill it with aces or Qs. You think you're going to get a big stash of cash, but it doesn't work like that. So it's a completely bonus-oriented game because you can... Well, if I get the bonus, we'll see it. I'll explain. Now, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Dang. See here? This would have landed there. I would have had one of these bonuses. Sadly, we failed. We need two of these and one of these two over here. It's not going well. Not going well at all. We're going to drop the bet a bit. What would you say? Should I drop the bet and go for a bonus in order to sustain a balance? Or should I raise the bet and risk? We're going to keep the bet the same until 37.50. Then we're going to reevaluate where we're at. I got a wild, so it adds a wild up there. Sometimes what you want to try to get this is like 10, 11, 14, if ever so lucky. 5 can pop up, and they do. And this comes at random. There you go. You see now we got this green wild. It added over here. So if we get the bonus, we're going to have 41 wilds. Potential. And that's what I mean, okay? For $22.50, I got line hits. It's not a bad payout, the rings. $90 on a $22.50 bet. It's not bad at all. But notice the balance is going down. I think that's what I started the stream with. Initially, I started with 800 in there. But we hit a humongous mega bonus. Got a clean lucky stage today. Wish I had some rings in the front. Would have been nice. Okay. I'm gonna... no, we're not gonna raise the stakes. No, we're not gonna raise the stakes. We're gonna be conservative. We're not going to lower them either. You see here? 5 lines. Look what we got. $43.50. That's what I mean. You'll be disappointed in a lot of the 5-line payouts. So you got to have the patience in this game. It's a fun game, but the bonuses, the line hits are not good. The bonuses too can be disappointing. But to be honest with you, way better than pragmatic plays huge disappointments, especially a buy a bonus crap. Okay, we got 6. Can we? No, we won't get them in a line. Yes, we will. Come on, line, yes. We had to hit a trumpet. We had to hit a bloody tramp. We got 5 across. It paid really good, but it was one trumpet. We couldn't get not enough wilds. You can't do it with that wilds. Balance is going down. We're gonna play it down to 37.50. Then we'll reevaluate where we're at. That it's not good. It's not okay. We got 7 wild, so I hope I can get 5 to get this to 12. If I get it to 12, we'll be good. Now notice what happens if I change the bet. Everything resets. Okay, watch. Oh, we're back. And this is sticky to infinity. In other words, I think the last 30 days before they wipe me out, in case I lose. But then again, this game I don't play often on the site. Oh! Bad lineup, bad lines, bad. Oh, double, triple, please, butchered me. I wish that had been a cup. I just got butchered. 3,800 will reevaluate, not 37. 37.50. Boy, it bonused on the second game I rolled when I got the mega, and I have not seen even a T since. I got lucky on the spin. I pressed the button right time, RNG generated right result, and boom, boom, shot. Game over. Jesus, Rodriguez Sanchez. For heaven's sakes, man. It's not even teasing. Man. Okay, we're gonna play it down, guys. We're gonna go $30 spins. We're gonna do 5 of them, maybe 10. Please, come on, come on. Just blew $1,000 of my balance that I had. I had brought it up to 45. It's gambling. I give up. Going to drop the bet and just pass some time. We'll get a 20-minute vid out of it. I'm not happy. That's what I'm talking about. You see those 5 wilds? We got it up to that. And no, guys, it's not because I dropped the bet to this low that this happens. Just so happened that that's what the RNG proposed. And it got on its knees and offered me a proposal ring. So I'll take it. Now, I can't change it. I'm forced to bet 750 until the wilds go anonymous. This is not bad, guys. 11 wilds. So when the haywire takes place, going to get 11. I'd like to get it to 14 or 18, which I've never seen more than 14. Fuck. Look at that. Nice. For $7.50, we got a 7-to-1 payout. And look how many rings came across the board, but the lining was not right. Except for one 5-line we hit. This is a fun game to play, don't get me wrong. It's very entertaining. You got nice sound effects. Let's see where it's gonna hit. Garbage. Good. Garbage. 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 Yeah, okay. Garbage. That's beauty. Beautiful. Beautiful. Come on. Big win. That's a 12-to-1. Look how many wilds I got, and you see what I'm talking about? It can be extremely disappointing. We're going to play it down to 3,000 and call it a day. But we're going to go back to our 2250 bet. We haven't even been teased once, eh? Nice. And now I have to play it until it hits because I got 10 wilds. You see here, right there where my cursor is, when it goes haywire, it's going to offer 10 wilds. If I can get a 10-to-1 payout, I'll be very disappointed. Get a 30-to-1 payout, I'll be very happy. Come. No! No! Ah, fuck. Come on! No! 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 Yes! That should be very nice. 20-to-1 payout, virtually, so who am I to complain? $37.50 is where we're going to stop. $37.50. We haven't had anything teasing a bonus, have we? One time. One time. No shields anywhere. What's... It just... You know what? I'm going to change the timing. Let's sing a song together. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. And it's Santa, Santa, Santa. Santa Banta. Let's go. Ho! 5 wilds. Next turn, please. 5 wilds. Garbage. I love the sound effects in this game. Love the sound effects. Like the cups, I don't like this. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna get the warning, and I don't want anybody to see my my username. Forgive me, please. Huh? Oh, I can't get the warning. It's not been half an hour plus. It's only 19 minutes. Okay, my mistake. Don't believe this crap, man. You gotta be kidding me, man. Okay, I'm gonna pause for 2 minutes. I'm at 38,1050. I gotta pause it. I gotta do something on the site, and I'll be right back. Okay, because I gotta go and do an adjustment. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry. Won't be long. Love ya all. Sotas lucky. All right, gang. Sorry about that. I'm back. My play warning actually did show up because I'm past half an hour and I didn't turn it off. That's what responsible gaming is with Lotto Quebec. I have not been able, even a tease, to get 2 of these. 3,500 is my limit. That's where I stop. We'll keep 600 and play roulette later. I surrender my soul. See this thing here? Those things here, like that. It looks like a puff of smoke, man. That's not cool. That's not. Oh, yeah. Don't do that, guys. You're making me want to smoke. Wow. Freaking urge game. It's not gonna. Come on! Bing! Mama Stugats. It's ridiculous. See how they cheat you here? Okay, we get 9 extra spins because of this, but I couldn't get a cup anywhere there. Look at this. They put the J up there to mess me up. So I couldn't get anything. But we're at 37.99, so 8. We're still up a bag of money. Been drinking a lot of water, a lot of orange juice since I started the patch. I wonder if it opened my appetite or something. I can't believe it's not teasing 1 freaking bonus. Fuck, man. Wrong place. Wrong place, wrong time. Garbage. Oy vey, $13. We actually lost on that. We're betting $18.75. We got back $13.75. Woo! Like Ric Flair would say. Pulangori. Garbage. Like McCall there. $45. Garbage. Five more spins. Sorry guys, I'm not gonna walk away with a nice win. I'm gonna walk away with a win. Keep it to no. 11.25 and that's it. Okay guys, we're gonna stop at this amount. You saw the game. it really didn't give us anything remotely close to a bonus. Unfortunately, I was trying to learn OBS Studio when I first started recording, and after I made the after I brought the balance up from 30, Jesus, from 800 something, I got to look at what I started with. Then I said, you know what, let's record this and put it on YouTube after. So live to fight another day. Gonna do a 3 withdrawal. We're gonna keep 501.75 and okay. Let me pause this. I'm going to some banting stuff, so I don't want to show this online, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna dance. I'm gonna dance. I made a $100 bet after withdrawing on the 30, and the 18, and I repeated the bet twice, and then I put 1,000 and I lost. I didn't withdraw because I'm an idiot. Total idiot. Okay, let's get this right. Jesus Christ, I'm really messed up here. Okay, I hit the 18 here. So then I went up to the 19, and I had a big hit and a big hit on the 30. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring it down to $5,000, and then I'm going to quit, guys. I got my money back, and then we're going to quit, okay? So let's go again this way. We're going to bet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to slow it down. I was ashamed that I couldn't withdraw, and I had paused the tape. This is crazy.
$11 black.
Fuck you. Fuck you. I'm not behaving. To make a half an hour video. All to make a freaking half an hour video to post online. That's not fair. I'm not cool at all. I'm not cool at all.
29.
Yeah,
black.
there you go. We're going to lose everything. Goodbye, money.
$4 black.
Now, look at this, hey, all reds. That is not random. That's called pseudo, fake, not real. Not real. Uncool. Unfreaking cool, man. Unfreaking cool.
32 red.
Yay, zay. What? I think this nicotine withdrawal is playing with my mind. Son of a
13
bitch.
black.
Son of a bitch. No, we're on a double, man, because look at this. 30 was a good number. 19 was a bad number. That's a bad number. That's a bad number. Bad number. Good number. Bad number. Good number.
23. Red.
Yay, zay, zay. I got my 30-minute video. Boom, boom shot. Each Nissan she go.
4. Black.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. I bet the 90. Okay, last spin if we lose.
$19. Red.
I suppose we don't. I gotta stop this shit, man. I'm getting, I'm really going off script.
9. Red.
See, I told you guys, I gotta stop this crap.
Bonus.
Bonus. Well, we got a good chance here. We could score double. I'm not, fuck you, you fucking son of a bitch.
0. 35. Black.
Son of a bitch. We're gonna break the bank. We're done, guys. I'm not playing anymore.
9. Red.
I love everybody. Love y'all. Where is my recording software, man? I mean, this is a joke. Where's my... Here it is. Okay, 33 minutes, 50 seconds. Remember, if you gamble, you will most likely lose. I'm talking mostly slots, other games too. But refuse to lose roulette.